There are no tools needed for this installation. Both the high beam and low beam headlights are powered by one bulb. To access the bulb, we will start under the hood. On the passenger side, you can see there is enough room to work on the headlights. We will start by removing the dust cover. But before we can remove it, we'll need to unplug the wire connector running into the back of the dust cover. Unlatch the spring holding the bulb and it will come right out. If we compare the stock halogen to the new LED, you'll notice a few things. One, the base is the same for an easy plug-and-play fit. But if we line those bases up, you can also see that the high and low beam filaments on the halogen bulb line up exactly with the high and low beam LED strips. There is this reflector on the halogen bulb that is also on the LED bulb. Before installing the LED bulb, be sure to secure the LED driver to the bulb. To install this bulb, we'll need to remove the base first. To do this, just pull it off the bulb. You'll notice 3 tabs on the base. The tab opposite the flat side is the top. Be sure to install this tab facing up. The easiest way to install the base first is to hold it on one finger. Direct the base into the matching slots and secure the locking spring to hold it in. The bulb will need to be installed through the back of the dust cover. Push the bulb in from the back to front, making sure it's tight all the way around. You can also see the arrow on the top of the dust cover. This will line up with the bulb as it rests with the LED chips facing out to the left and right. You can now install the bulb with the dust cover at the same time. Be sure that the cover is sealed all the way around. Finally, plug in the wire connector and you are ready to test it. You can see the passenger side with the LED versus the driver side with the halogen. Now we will do the same for the driver side. Unplug the wire connector and remove the dust cover. Release the locking spring and remove the halogen bulb. Take the base off of the LED bulb and insert it into the housing. Secure the locking spring to hold it in place. Feed the LED bulb into the back of the dust cover until it is tight, and install the bulb and the dust cover at the same time. Finish by plugging in the wire connector. You can see the super bright pure white LED headlights. The fog lights are the standard halogen color. And the beam pattern when we shine them on the wall shows they are installed correctly and working to perfection.
Safer, smarter, brighter, better. We are Ayla Lighting.